Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Advanced R Programming for Data Analytics in Business. Week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is, suppose in a logit model the linear index zi equal to 2. What is the odds ratio OR in favor of y equal to 1 for this observation? So these are the options and the answer of our first question is C. E is to power 2. Now the second question is, which threshold strategy aligns best with a conservation bank that wants to approve loans only to extremely low risk applicants? So these are the options and the answer of our second question is B. Use a high threshold, example t equal to 0.9. Now the third question is, a classification model is tested on 1,000 loan applications. Out of these, 600 are actual non-defaulters, y equal to 0. 400 are actual defaulters, y equal to 1. Model prediction. Correctly classified 550 non-defaulter, true negatives. Correctly classified 300 defaulters, true positive. What is the overall accuracy of the model? So the answer of our third question is B, 81 to 90%. Now the fourth question is, a classification model is tested on 1000 loan applications. Out of these, 600 are actual non-defaulter, 400 are actual defaulter. Model prediction, correct classified 550 non-defaulter, correctly classified 300 defaulters. What are the sensitivity and specificity values respectively? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is A, 0.70 to 0.80 and 0.90 to 0.99. Now the fifth question is, what is the sensitivity and specificity of the model if threshold is t equal to 0? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is D. Sensitivity more than 0.5, specificity less than 0.5. Now the sixth question is, what is the sensitivity and specificity of the model if threshold is t equal to 1? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is A. Sensitivity less than 0.5, specificity more than 0.5. Now the seventh question is, the following is a suitable form of cumulative probability distribution that can be employed in logit probit class of model. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C. 1 upon 1 plus e is to the power minus z. Now the eighth question is, the following is the correct statement in the context of a parameter interpretation for logit probit models. So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is B. Parameter interpretation requires computation of marginal effects. Now the ninth question is, the following is an incorrect statement in the context of logit model. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is D. The normal distribution function appears like an S-shaped curve. Now the 10th question is, an a logit model has log likelihood of the unrestricted model LLF equal to minus 120 and of the null restricted model LLF not equal to minus 150. What is the MC Fadden pseudo R square? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is B, 0.16 to 0.25. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.